Hey guys, good morning. Today I bought you a beautiful laptop which is called MSI. It is a gaming version, and let's see this beauty. Look at that, it looks like something. A robot came out of the industry, likewise. So it is powered with NVIDIA GeForce GTX. It's 1060, and the model number is MSI GL638RE 629 US. It is a 1.5 years I have been using this laptop for all the gaming and all things. So today I'll show you how the laptop is working and how it is good likewise. Okay, we'll see the laptop. Here's the laptop with the beauty, and I'll tell you what are the things and what are the stuffs associated with it. Let's see the booting time. Look at the keyboard. It is very it looks stunning with red color, and all of the specifications given here, the cool booster is here, Jane speaker USB 3.1. You have 3 ports of USB, HDMI cables, NIAMAC, and there goes. It suddenly launches and nothing. It is one of the fastest booting system. Look at that, how fast it is. It runs with Windows 10 Home 64-bit internal processor. It's one of the most beautiful gaming laptop, and I'm very much satisfied with this laptop. I have some 50 GBs game, I have F1, I have NFS, and I used to go with Battlefield. Sorry for that pop-up. I used to download movies with the BitTorrents, and I'll tell you the memory is 16 GB DDR4, and we have a storage of 1 TB, 7200 RPM HDD plus 128 GB SATA SSD. So there are drives, and the graphics card is GTX 1060, which gives high performance in term of power and play. And I'm going to show you let me open an F1 game. Let's see how it is going. So we'll look after that. So, and the video memory is 6 GB GDDR5, and processor is 2.2 gigahertz, Intel 8th generation i7. It is powered with Intel's generation i7, and look at that sound. You are getting it there. Wow, it is one of the awesome laptops I have worked with. I'm not into going to the budget of Alienware or something else, but it is one of the best looking laptops I have ever seen, and one of the performance. Look at the performance and the graphics it gives out there. It's something. Its speakers, still the volume is not in high levels, but still it gives you one of the greatest sounds ever. Oh, it has 3 USB ports of Type A and 1 USB port of Type C. It has HDMI, 1 mini display port, and let's go into the game. You're already hearing the sound. It is full HD display. It is awesome. It does not have any fluctuation or any kind of hanging. It is very good laptop. I just implemented some stickers like Apple stickers and Snapchat. Just don't worry about it. Here the PC consumer recommended. Just SteelSeries. The board is awesome. I have been using it for an year, so don't care about my handprints in the laptop, please. And here you go. It's a beautiful thing. We will come to that. Before that, we will go here. Look at the logo will glow. The MSI Dragon logo will glow. It's a beautiful one. It's awesome to say. We'll give a hint. So here's. I didn't play much of this game because this is very difficult game to play. Look at the graphics and look at the loading performance this MSI G63 provides. The 1060. The graphics, that's what it says. And the GeForce GTX 1060 graphics card, it is far superior than 1050 and 1050 XRS, something like that. And here we go. I'll show you. Nothing will go without lag. See, just it entered the. We'll take a F1. We'll take a flying lap. Just look at it. see how it's going. So it's one of the beautiful, it's in night time, it's running, and there is no lag. You are playing F1, which is of nearly 35 to 50 GB game. It runs very awesome as I'm handling my phone in one, and I could not change the gear of the car. No automatic transmission in this. So look at the graphics that it provides. There is no lag or no hang in this. One of the beautiful system you can use here. The most beautiful laptop you are seeing here. Just there is a Dragon Center. I'll show you. This is a button for fan, and if you press that, it will start running and it will release all your heats away. And this is a Dragon boosting system. Let me show you. Control Alt and delete. So task manager, we will close that. So here you have your Dragon Master. It will show you all the details of device information. See the Intel Core i7 8th generation CPU, it's 2.2 GHz, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060, RAM is 16 GB, and SSD I stored more, I have to remove it. And hard drive, look at that, I have 402 GB available, and it shows CPU, GPU, memory, disk, all kind of things will be shown here. Look at this, you can change the modes like super bikes. So comfort, fan speed you can change. You can hear the fan noise, I hope so right now. So you can manually turn on the fan or you can switch off, and while getting time, while the computer is getting heat, it will automatically switch on the fans. And so you have lot of options to go through, and one of the best laptop, NFS install game on. So these are some of the features that the MSI provides, and it's nearly 1.5 years I'm using this laptop. There is no lag or nothing. It's very good, and it feels awesome. I recommend such laptops to be bought for gaming. It is really awesome. You can go with it. And that's all for today.